Hey there, mga my loves, Libra. Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel, babes. So before we start your reading, let me just greet everybody first. Hi and hello there sa mga new subscribers. Ako po si Ian. Welcome tuloy. At sa mga returning viewers, thank you so much sa inyong walang sawang support. So yun nga, kung hindi nyo pa po alam, mayroon pa po tayong isa pang channel. Ang link is down below sa ating description box. And of course, no, kung hindi nyo pa rin narinig yung announcement, no, dahil marami kasing comments, no, kaya gumawa ako ng content last time nung about updates sa no communication or no contact situation with someone, no, yan. I will be extending, kasi ang dami pa rin nagko-comments, no. I will be extending, opening my door, no, for those who want ng hidden or secret messages reading. So, yun yung tawag ko doon. So, I'm gonna take a look at the current energy or real-time energy ng person na wala na kayong contact. Ano ba yung real-time niyang iniisip about you? Real-time niyang feelings, no? Or emotions. Ano ba yung emotion niya ngayon sa'yo, no? Or kung meron ba siyang possible na iniisip, baka may mensahe siyang gustong sabihin na hindi niya masabi sa'yo. We're gonna take a look at that. So, if you're interested, you may message me or inquire dito sa The High Priestess Tarot, kr@gmail.com. Okay? So, yeah, mga babes, no, let's begin na sa inyong reading, Libra. By the way, hindi temporary yung mga mahal, no? Kasi pag naging busy na yung lola ninyo, babalik na tayo ulit sa dati nating routine. Okay? Medyo maluwag lang tayo ngayon, mga babes, no? Sa ating schedule. Yan. So, that is for no contact situation only. Let us see Libra. Messages for Libra. What do we have here for my Libra people? Can you please show me? Archangel Michael, thank you so much for being present here in this reading together with my angels and guides, no? At sa mga ancestors ni Libra. Messages for Libra. Anong dapat paghandaan ni Libra? Asahan, mga pangyayari, mga happenings, no? Na pwede nilang i-look forward. Can you please show me? Okay, let's go ahead and check these messages here, Libra, but let me just lay all the energies first sa ating table before we begin. You have here the Seven of Fire energy. You've also got the Moon card energy. The Hermit is also present right here. You've already got two major arcanas, actually three. The Dreamer is the Fool card energy. You also have here the Wise Counselor. It looks like universe no is now may hawak ng manibela. I'm seeing that manibela thing, no? May hawak ng manibela, no? Or nagko-control ngayon sa situations in your life. So, maybe if you feel like na parang wala kayong control sa mga situations ngayon, do not worry because the four major arcanas, no, indicate dito na universe got your back. They are handling the situation mo right now. I also have here the Three of Air energy. Yeah, see, look at that. The Three of Air energy. It looks like you do not have any control at this very moment, but you do not need to worry because it's part of the changes because you are now stepping into the new journey that you also want deep down inside your heart. So at the bottom of the deck, we've got right here for you guys, Knight of Air energy, King of Water, and the Emperor's energy. See? Gaining back control. Eh, may mga bagay na minsan ayaw nating mangyari, no? Pero kailangan mangyari yun, no? Para muling maibalik sa atin ang ating control, no? Sa ating life. Yan. So, there could be things right here with the Three of Air energy na masakit for you, hindi mo maintindihan ba't nangyari, maybe it involves separation or abandonment dito. there's a lot of sorrow. Maybe someone here could be, nahihirapan magpatawad for others, no? Parang ang hirap na matanggap ito. Like acceptance, no, is very far pa na makuha. No, iba hindi pa nakaka-move on, yung iba naman possible na nahihirapan i-release yung pain, no? Even though yung iba matagal na nangyari yon, no, or whatever. Yan. So, nakita ko dito that soon, because the outcome is the Emperor, you will gain back the control, the power sa'yo, Libra. So, maliban dyan, no, sa napakagandang mensahe na yan, kasi nasa isang journey kayo mga babes na kung saan meron talagang mga bagay na inaalis sa buhay natin to make room for the new ones at para sa mga deserve nating matanggap. Yan. So, it involves your dream. It involves here the things that you want to manifest in your life. All the good stuffs. Okay? Yun yan. So, maliban dyan mga babes, no? Nakita ko dito, Libra, that with the Seven of Fire energy, Moon card right here, no? So, nakikita ko dito that someone here could be, hiding something from you. This person right here could be denying the truth. Pwedeng iba, possible na lover niyo ito, iba naman, possible na kakilala ninyo, a friend, no? Na alam mo yung totoo, no? Tapos sinabi mo sa kanya, no? You're being honest with that person and you want na maging honest din siya, no? Dun sa hinihingi mo, no? Sa kanya, no? Pero siya ito na too ashamed, no? Na magpakatotoo dito, no? So parang nahihiya siya, this person feels embarrassed, no? Kaya parang pinanindigan niya na lang dito yung kasinungalingan niya. This could be a lover, but for others, this could be a friend or someone you know. So, nakita ko dito na masakit yan sa'yo, no, because this person here is hiding something from you, pero eventually, alam mo na yun yung totoo. It's just that ang gusto mo lang talaga marinig is aminin niya. 'Di ba? Yung sa kanya mismo manggaling, yung hindi na kailangan pang, alam mo yun, no? Hindi na kailangan pang parang pitpitin siya, 'di ba? Parang gusto mo na lang dito magpakatotoo, no? 'Yun. So, nakita ko dito na maliban diyan, no, I'm also picking up right here, someone is looking for you. At medyo matagal ka na rin niyang hinahanap, no? Nakikita ko dito that in the upcoming weeks and months, no, palapit na siya ng palapit na sa yung area, no? Or papalapit na siya ng papalapit sa'yo. This person here is trying to look for you, is trying to find you right here. Whoever this individual is, this is someone here na possible na hindi mo pa nami-meet. Ha? Miss yan, ba't niya ako hinahanap pero hindi ko pa pala siya nami-meet yan. Because here, I do pick up that it is a bridge kung saan like a tunnel na dumadaan siya doon, no? And this person right here is someone you're supposed to meet. So, ibig sabihin, even though hindi pa kayo nagkakakilala rito at hindi niya alam yung pangalan mo, hindi niya rin alam yung itsura mo, no? Matagal ka na niyang hinahanap, no? And the search will be over soon because this person here will definitely find you. You know? So, this could be someone here na soulmate mo because I do pick up this person here could be someone listening sa kanyang intuition. Pwedeng intuitive din siya, no? And siya ito na naniniwala dun sa soulmate connection. Yan, no? Someone here is looking for you. So, ibig sabihin, ready na siya. 'Di ba? To be in a relationship, pwede na siya to fall in love, no? Pero kahit hindi niya alam kung sino, ano itsura nung hinahanap niya, no? Pero ikaw yun. This person right here will eventually find you. Yan. So, maliban dyan, nakikita ko rin dito, no, Libra, na meron ditong isa sa mga pangarap mo, no, na matagal mo nang gustong mangyari, iniportan mo talaga, binuhusan mo ng panahon, might be promotion or ma-regular ka dyan kung bago ka dyan sa trabaho na yan. Yung iba naman, kung may nililigawan kayo matagal na, possible na it's yes, because it's a positive outcome right here. Dreamer is an indication right here na yung nilaban mo, no, ay talaga naman na may tagumpay dito, no? So, may success, may achievement tayo nakikita, no? Because you believe and you protect that dream of yours. You believe that one day it will come true. At eto na nga yun, you are being well guided right here by your angels and guides. And this is yung iba sa inyo, posibleng matagal nyo ng pangarap yan, o pwedeng bata pa kayo, yung iba naman. Kung ito naman yung usapang pag-ibig, no? Maaring kayo ito naniniwala sa true love, no? At ito na nga yun, na parating na ito with the dog in there is an indication that that person is someone who is faithful, magiging tapat sa'yo, no? Not just loyal, but faithful to you. Nakikita ko dito that this person right here na is someone who will make you very happy at wala siya ritong pakialam kahit mapunta siya sa edge of something para lang tulungan ka or whatever, no? Because this is the energy right here, no? I am not exaggerating this, pero nakikita ko dito that this person right here, handa siya ritong itaya yung kanyang life for you. Yung parang kung sakali man dito na nasa isang kapahamakan ka, no, walang ano-ano, without hesitation, hindi siya rito magdadalawang isip na i-cover ang sarili niya for you. Yan, no? Wow, no? See? Because this person right here is someone you're supposed to meet. If that person right here is the one you're pursuing matagal na. Yan. Okay? So, iba naman, kung yan naman ay trabaho, no, or matagal mo ng pangarap para sa pamilya mo, makabili ng bahay or whatever, no, the universe will make it happen for you because you dream about it and you took actions, diba? At nakita ko rito na lahat ng effort mo will all pay off at masisimulan mo na yung makita sa iyong realidad. The person na akala mo hindi magkakagusto sa'yo, boom, that person is the person na lumalabas ditong meant for you. And if this is something here about your pangarap na house, pangarap na car, whatever, universe will pour down money in any situations possible, in any shape or form, just to make tupad this wish of yours, no? For you to be able to purchase, no, yung mga ganong kamahal na bahay, lupa, no? Or even car, vehicle, whatever. Maybe someone is trying to, what's this? Magkaroon ng negosyo. Yan. So, maliban chance, napakagandang mensahe na yan. Nakikita ko rin dito, no, na meron dito mga babes, no, malalaman yung malapit sa'yo na sikreto mo. Yan, no. Ito nakakaloka. Matagal mo ng sikreto ito, na pero ang nakakaloka dito, nadulas ka, no? Sa'yo pa mismo nang galing, no? Itong pagsiwalat ng sikreto na 'to. Dito nakikita ko na kung ano man 'tong sikreto mo na 'to, na posibleng mamula ka, mag-blush ka, yun ang nakita ko rito. Kasi ang tagal mo tinago 'tong sikreto to with the Hermit card energy, Moon card dito, no? Tapos boom, ikaw rin pala yung magsasabi niyan. Dalawa yung nakukuha ko diyan. If it is a love situation, no, possible na super close ng person na gusto mo or lihim mong gusto yung nasabihan mo, no, ng hindi mo namamalayan. Or, worst thing, worst for you, no, maaring yun na mismo yung taong nasabihan mo is yun mismo yung taong may hidden feelings ka para sa kanya. Yan, no? So, may ganito tayo nakita rito. May madudulas ang dila rito, no? At kayo mismo ang magsasabi niyan sa kanya. Yan, no? Bongga. Alam niyo kasi mga babes, no? Lahat ng pangyayari may dahilan kung bakit. Ibig sabihin, kaya niyo yan nasabi at na-sploop ng ganun. Ibig sabihin, oras na para lumabas ang truth. Diba? At nakita ko rito na paglabas ng truth na yan, mga babes, no? Matutuwa ka pa kasi yung pabor ay nasa iyo. Yan. Maybe sa inyo kung may nilalakad po kayo rito na parang tawag nito, mga documents, papeles, no? Na may kinalaman sa negosyo or pirma-pirma, kontrata-kontratang ganyan, no? Nakita ko rito, no, na i-review ninyong mabuti, okay? Kasi posible 'no, na meron diyan na alam niyo na 'pag isang word lang yung mali, iba na yung nagiging meaning or context nun, okey? So, ayoko lang na magkaroon kayo ng trouble in the future. No, alam ko yung iba makakapal yung mga pages niyan kaya nakakatamad basahin, paper man na lang, but I want you na read it from start up to the end na period, okey? At okey, para maispatan mo rito na merong mali diyan kasi may maiiba diyan yung meaning dahil lang may misspelled or may iba lang yung word, 'yan, okey? Para ma-avoid natin yung trouble in the future, 'yan. Well, ayokong sabihin ito at alam ko rin naman na ayaw niyo itong marinig pero sasabihin ko pa rin. Nakita ko rito 'no, na may energy rito na magmamakaawa sa'yo at pahiramin mo siya ng pera at kung sino man siya rito, never ka niyang binayaran 'no, at posibleng malaki po yung utang niya sa inyo noon 'no, ta's kukulitin niya kayo ulit ngayon 'no. Siyempre kilala niyo na kung sino 'yan mga babes 'no. Um, kayo ito 'no, na parang 'pag nakikita niyo siya, naririnig niyo yung pangalan niya, parang nai-stress kayo agad. Gano'n yung energy ninyo, eh, 'no. However, lalapit siya ulit sa inyo, yan. So, for the new love or if you're already in a relationship right now, meron pong pinaplano ritong action ang inyong person. May sasabihin siya sa inyo or meron siya ritong gagawin para tumaba lalo yung puso niyo, ayan 'no. Ibig sabihin meron siya ritong gagawing magpapasaya sa'yo 'no. Whatever the case may be, this person right here is giving me this type of energy 'no, na possible na gusto niya ditong mas pagtibayin pa ang inyong connection. Iba siguro nagsisimula pa lang kasi kayo or yung iba naman 'no, kasi the puno rito is an indication of something na very firm, very stable. 'Di ba? Kasi naka-plant 'yan, eh, 'no, yung ugat niya naka-plant 'di ba, sa lupa, eh, 'no? Tsaka ikaw try mo buhatin yung puno, ewan ko lang, 'di ba? So, nakita ko rito na kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, na this person right here, I think mas gusto niya ditong i-establish ang inyong legacy, strong foundation, at yung iba possible na, yung action na gagawin niya is, about your relationship na i-take sa next level, 'yan 'no. So, puwedeng asking you, okey, na maging kayo na kung hindi pa kayo officially kayo or this person right here will be asking your hand 'no, for him or her, parang asking permission if gusto mo rin ba siyang makasama 'no, hanggang sa kailanman. So, marriage is possible na nasa thoughts nitong person na ito, 'yan 'no. So whatever the case may be, whether it's a date or whether it's something here that will make you happy, ang importante magkasama kayo and you both feel yung mutual feelings for each other. And last but not the least, the Emperor is an indication right here na you will surely love how things unfold in your life, Libra, because the Emperor right here is gaining back control na akala mo no nasisira yung life mo, or akala mo things no ay hindi naggo-go sa yung way, pero you're wrong. Okay? It's actually the universe no realigning no para silang nag-feng shui. Inikot-ikot nila rito ang mga bagay sa life mo no para maging maganda ang kalalabasan nito para sa'yo. And then, voila! The Emperor is an indication right here of stability. For in all corners of your life, it's something here firm, matibay, pantay, at nakita ko rito no, na lahat ng parang mga gusto mong gawin sa iyong life ay pwede mo nang gawin. Okay? Dahil sila yung magtatanim, magpupunla, magpapakita ng mga oportunidad, mga offers, options na pwede mong gamitin to restart or to create that new beginning you want. Whether that's involving your money, whether that's involving here your business, whether that's involving here your love life, personal life, whatever, universe got your back. Sometimes we do not understand what's happening. Pero yun pala, everything is naka-align pala kung saan talaga tayo dapat mapunta. I'm seeing a very bright, radiant smile sa iyong face because this is you. Hindi mo alam kung paano ka magpapasalamat and that is your outcome. You will be so happy, Libra, but you just can't explain how happy you are. So much bliss in your energy. Wow. So yeah, there you go. Yeah, these are all the messages I've got right here for you, honey Libra. Thank you so much for your time here, babe. And muli ako po siyan. Sana niya. Love and light. I'm sorry. Annyeong. Nasa hagi yung stand.